Guys, I'm building a box to hold a DIY amp. See, that's the construction. Applying wood glue to hold the box together. Got some bits to it. Got to cut this bit off. It's actually all the running. As far as I've got so far, got my drill, the bits you need, pliers, no knife to apply the glue. My box is screws. The holes for the speaker, so I'll cut into this panel because that's quite light, so I'll cut into that panel and apply RCA jacks, etc. Then I'll work the amp at the front. I'm going to have LCD panel, so I'll have to cut this out. Rise this off the board. I'll cut that out and use a chisel to chisel out this area, so I'm able to fit the LCD screen. So I'm gonna fit an LCD screen in here, and I have a hole in the middle for the volume control, and then I'll have the auxiliary. So that's it for now. That's part one. So the box is coming together. I've cut that from an old drawing so far. It's coming along fine. So the next step will be to install the amp. Then I'm going to have magnetic strips along here to hold the perspex glass cover. Once the amp's in and working, all the holes are pre-drilled, I'll install the amp. So that's all for now, folks. Bye for now.